Thank you for visiting the Daiki Kato Laboratory channel. This is Daiki Kato. Today, I'll speak about internal rolefulness. As I spoke in the previous episode, rolefulness includes two sub-factors. One is social rolefulness. Another is internal rolefulness. Today, we focus on internal rolefulness and let's learn together about it. Internal rolefulness is formed based on social rolefulness, and it includes confidence and identity. Confidence and self-esteem are formed through social experience in our daily lives. For instance, the experience of being accepted or valued by others facilitates our self-esteem. Being accepted by others is crucial to our well-being. Being aware of our social role, noticing our social role are very important first steps to grow our internal rolefulness. Let's find our roles in our daily lives and facilitate internal rolefulness. In this episode, I talk to you about internal rolefulness. Internal rolefulness is an important factor for our mental health. Please learn more about it from our rolefulness book. Thank you for watching and see you next episode. Bye.